What's up, everybody? It's Jack here. Give you a little story of this new project that we're doing. Well, not new. Basically, it was my daily driver for the past couple years, and made a deal with my nephew and said, if you get your license, it's yours. So who would have known that this is going to be the next project that we're going to be working on? And what are we doing to the vehicle?
So we have a 04 ICE 300 over here, and I just finished washing it, and we're actually starting to prepare it to color it rich plum purple, color that I wanted to match with my uncle because he has this on his calipers on his Evo X. So yeah, we're gonna start scuffing it and all that jazz. Yeah.
Start preparing. So since that you've taken over, what are the features that you love about this car?
Well, obviously my most favorite feature about this car is my super humongous spoiler that I have over here. Gets the ultimate 500 pounds of extra downforce.
No way.
All of that stuff. Makes it go about 20 miles per hour faster on a quarter mile.
Shut the front door.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we also got,
it's not the wheels,
yeah,
it's not the car, it's not the sound system or
not
anything
even the
like
rear
that.
view camera we just put in last week.
Oh, you got a rear view camera, huh?
Yeah, we got the rear view camera.
What rear view camera?
This little bugger right here.
What? Look at that. All fancy.
Yes, sir.
So, alrighty, well, let's get started. The day's not it's gonna get a little dark pretty soon, so let's lock it out.
Let's go.
Make sure that perm don't get wet.
Just let it shine through. Just let your soul, baby, feeling oh so silky smooth.
We're back, and so Jordan already had washed the car, and what he's doing is he scuffed up the rear real quick, just do a little sample. And what he's doing now is he's masking it to cover up the tail lights because he doesn't want to get it painted, so we don't have to remove it because it's a little pain in the butt to remove. And once he gets this all masked, he's gonna go ahead and do a little quick sample. And what we did is we went to Lowe's and got the Color Max Krylon. We're gonna go with Gloss Rich Plum, and that's the color he wanted to go with, and we're gonna see how it turns out. So yes, we'll keep you posted, and we'll probably get it to our first coat shortly. Alrighty.
Yes.
Rookie moves. Alright.
You didn't see anything.
Camera did. The rear bumper painted. That was our little trial. Good job, Jordan. So he started prepping. He went ahead and did the left fender, and now he's just masking up the headlights and the fog lights. So he's got the front bumper fogged up now, or covered up. And he's doing the right side, and he's struggling.
A little bit.
And then check this out. Wow, what a clean engine bay. What? Check out this intake. Hayame 50 state legal, carb approved. That's right, suckers. Must have a big sound system with that kind of fuse.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so what? He even went to the extreme. He did the right fender, pillars, passenger door, rear. Oh, he took care of some of that over drips from before. fix that up, and yeah, he's pretty much caught up. Well, he needs to wipe it down, start spraying, but left side's got to get touched up or scuffed down. All right, stay tuned. We'll be back as soon as he's done masking, taping, taking forever.
Just gotta cut it now.
Alrighty, so here it is. It's nice and purple. Whew.
Yes, sir.
It's Barney's. You're gonna love it.
So hopefully tomorrow morning I'm gonna wake up and scuff the trunk and the hood, so that hopefully we can paint it black and then buff out the roof, because there's a bunch of paint all over it. But,
Yeah, that's minor. We can get that all cleaned up. It's just our little overspray, and then the hood. So. Alrighty, bye bye gray. What's up everyone, we're back and this is the final product.
this is Selena, or as I'm nicknaming her, Barney.
Yeah. Wow, looks good.
Yeah, take her on the car.
Yeah. So what did you do to get to this point?
Well, we started yesterday afternoon. I washed her, made sure she's completely clean. And then after that, I started scuffing her for the next couple hours, making sure I got into every nook and cranny that I could find to make sure that all the previous paint was scuffed and taken out.
Mm-hmm.
Then after that, we started masking everything we didn't want to get painted or get dirty. And we just started painting. We started off with the back bumper. That was our little test subject. And it came out nicely, so we decided, all right, let's just do the rest of the car. So for the rest of the night, we spent a couple hours doing all the doors, the front bumper, and all these pillars over here. And then we called it a night. And then this morning, we started scuffing the trunk and the hood, and we were able to finish painting it black, which is, I think it looks really nice.
Nice.
And so yeah, and then once we were finished, took off all the masking, and here we go.
Wow, it looks good. That purple is
Popping.
purple. Alrighty, so yeah, we're gonna call it a night, and I gotta go to sleep, and Jordan's gotta go watch a movie. So hopefully you guys liked our little quick video of, you know, Barney.
Yeah, and keep tuned, because we're still going to be working on this car for the next week. You know, trying to finish up buffing it, polishing it, making sure it looks all nice and shiny.
Nice. Stay tuned for that, everybody. Alrighty, so yeah, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below, or
Let the hate flow.
not.